Hello children, today I have taken class 10 session 21-22. As you all know that we have MCQ questions this term for terminal 1. So just some questions we are going to practice. Question number 1 is, if n is an even natural number means number starts with 2, 4, 6 and this, then the largest natural number by which n plus 1, n plus 2 is divisible. Suppose it is 2, then it is 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. If I take a bigger number like 4, 4 into 5, 5 into 6, then also it is 24 into 5. So by which it is divisible, that is 24. D option is correct. Next is value of x. As you know, factor tree, we start from here as 11 is prime factor. So 11 into 13 is 143. Now again 143 into, if I check, 143 into 7 will be 1001. So x is what? 7 and y is 11. Sorry, y is 13. So A option is correct. Next is, when we take positive integers and it is HCF and LCM, we have to find out. For LCM we take common multiple, where A is x cube y square, B is xy cube. So when we take LCM, we take the highest power. So x and x cube is the highest power, y cube and y square, y cube is the highest power. So LCM will be again A, correct answer. Fourth question is, that is divisible by all numbers 1 to 10 inclusive. Here you have to be careful because we take 1 to 10. That means what? We take LCM, we multiply with 2 till 10 because both are inclusive, and product is 2620. So this will be answer D. Which of the following is not a polynomial? You have to be careful. Question is not a polynomial. So what is a polynomial? It must be non-negative integer. So we see here it is positive power 1. Here also cube is there. Here also we have cube and square is there. But here we see that it has power negative. So it is not satisfying the properties of polynomials. So D is not a polynomial. Question number 6 is, ABC is similar to PQR triangle, then y plus z we have to find out. If we find out here tan 30 degree, because it is relation between P and y, so 3 by y will be what? 3 root 3, as tan root 30 is 1 by root 3. Same way y is 3 root 3. Same way if we find out z, tan 30 degree is z by 4 root 3. So z is 4. So y plus z will be 4 plus 3 root 3, that is B option is correct. Question number 7 is, difference between two numbers. We take two numbers as 26. You can check from the option also. And one number is 3 times the other. Suppose that x is 3 times y. So I can write this equation as x minus 3y is 0. If you solve this equation, those two equations, it is plus 3 minus y is 2y is 26, y is 13. If I check, 13 is here, just you check the difference of these two numbers is also 26. So this option will be correct. Next, these are vertices of an which triangle? So what we suppose ABC is a triangle, and 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2. We have done distance formula. So distance formula is what? We subtract the abscissa and we subtract the ordinates also. So it is, if I find out AB, it is x2 minus x1. So I can write here 5 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. That is 1 square plus 6 square. If we find out BC square, it is 6 minus 7, that is 1 square. Then 4 plus 2 square, that is 1 square plus 6 square. Again these two are equal. Let me see that what is the third side. AC is 5 minus 7, that is 2 square, and minus 2 plus 2 square, that is we have 2 square 4. So we see that two sides are equal, so it is isosceles triangle. Next, PXY is equidistance. If this XY is equidistance from the point 5, 1, A and B 1, 5, that means PA square is PB square. We just find out using distance formula. It is 5 minus x square plus 1 minus y square is again 1 minus x square plus 5 minus y square. If you solve here, it is 25x square minus 10x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y. Here also 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 25 plus y square using the identity. So we see that so many terms are cancelled. X square will be cancelled. 1 is also cancelled. Then we have y square also. And we are left with minus 8x is minus 8y. So x is y. This option is correct. Next, as you know, the trick to find out this, we add for both the equation and once we subtract, and then we get two equations and we simplify those. So I am adding just these two equations. It is 66x. If you add 66, 66y, and it is 198. So we see both 66 is common. So it is x plus y is 3. This is one equation. If you subtract, we are getting y minus x is 1. If you add, we are getting 2y is 4. Y is 2. So x will be 1. So x is 1, y is 2 will be correct answer. The perimeter of triangle, that means we have to find out again all the distance. So it is 0, 0, 0, 4, 3, 0. So what is distance here? 4, here 3, and if we find out, it will be 5. So perimeter will be 3 plus 4 plus 5, that will be 12 units. Answer C is correct. Cos phi, half, that means phi is 60 degree. We know cos 60 degree is half. Sin theta is half, means theta is 30 degree. So what is the sum of these two? 90 degree. So C option will be correct. ABCD is a square of this. This side is 4 centimeter here, and we cut two quadrant of 1 centimeter radius from each circle here and here, and there is one more circle of diameter 2 centimeter. So we have to find out area of shaded region. So it is area ABCD is a square. So what is the shaded area? That is area of square minus area of two circles. That is we find out it is 4 square minus area of two circle is 2 into pi into r square, that is 1 square, that is 4 square minus 44 by 7, that will be 9.72 centimeter square. Question number 14 is, this one is, this option is. Question number 14, the area of circle circumscribing a square, that is square, sorry, write a bit, it's like rectangle. So it is a square and a circle is, so we have to find out area of this circle. So first find out if it is a square of area 64, that is side square. So what will be the, this side is 8 centimeter, it is 8 centimeter. Now let us find out what is the diameter. We know that if the A is side, diagonal is A root 2 using Pythagoras theorem. So it is 8 root 2. Diameter of the circle is 8 root 2. That means radius of the circle is 4 root 2 centimeter. So what will be the area of the circle? That is pi r square, that 22 by 7, 4 root 2 and 4 root 2. That means it is 22 into 16 into 2 by 7. That will be 100.57 centimeters square. Question number 15. Number is 1 to 40 and ticket is drawn. Multiple of 7. We have to select a ticket that is multiple of 7. So what are the outcomes? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So we have 5 outcomes. So what is the probability? That is 5 by total is 40. So it is 1 by 8. B option is correct. Next is a graph of linear equation, and equation by line AB and CD are there. So what is the area of triangle by these two lines and y-axis? We can see y-axis is here. So we count how many, what is the base? It is 3 here and it is 4 here. Total is 7 units. Now we count height. It is 5. So it is 5. So what will be the area? Half 7 into 5. That is 35 by 2. That is 17.5 square units. So B option will be correct. Question number 17th. We know that if it is similar, then in triangle ABC and DEF, if you name it ABC and DEF, see that AB by DE, if I take AB by DE is this given, and BC by EF, that means if this angle, included angle will be equal, then only they are similar. So A option will be correct. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding sides are proportional. We know that basic proportionality theorem. So tan theta is P by B. We know that if we do shortcut method, we know Pythagorean triplet are 8, 15 and 17. So sin theta will be P by H. P is 15 here and H is 17. So 15 by 17 will be answer. Question number 20 is sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and it is 1 by 2. That is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is by 2. D option will be correct. We know prime factors. Now section B, it is also B this, and we have to attempt any 16 questions. So what are the factors? There are two factors, one and the number itself. It is seminar is conducted and there are different types of books. Hindi, English and maths are this. Same number of participants are seated. So what will be HCF? If you find out HCF of this, it will be 12. So same number is, it means in one room it is 12, then 84 by 12 and 108 by 12. That is 5 plus 7 plus 9. That is 21 number of rooms. We know that if it is 15, we take common. It is 7 into 11 into 13 plus 1, and we know it is a composite number. For unique solution, we know a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, and if you take ratio in ax plus by, then it is 2 by k is 3 by minus 6. That means k is not equal to minus 4. The sum of two numbers is, that is x plus y. X is and y are two numbers, difference is 43. If you subtract, we are getting x is 180, x is 90. That means 90, 47 will be answer. If you solve these two equations, question number 26, it is 3x minus 2y is 5, cancel, 6x 18, that means x will be 3, and so y will be, putting the value 339, 2y is 4, so y is 2, that will be correct answer, y is 2. Area of triangle, that is, if you find out using the formula ABC, one is 3070 and C84. Area of triangle, we are getting 8 square unit using the formula half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. If AB square is AC square plus AC square, we can write it is AC square plus BC square at is given, and it will be 90-degree right angle triangle. Question number 29, we know that if it is parallel, D is parallel to YZ, that means XD by DY is XE by EZ, and we take the ratio, you will see that 3.2, 4.8, if you cancel it is 2 by 3, that means x will be here 3 into 2.4 by 2, 1.2, that is 3.6. Question is that we have to find out the value of xy. So xy will be 2.4 plus 3.6. 6 will be answer. Next is ABC is similar to this PQR, and area of ABC, that is area of ABC by area of PQR is 4 by 1. We know that it is a square of the sides, so BC by QR square. So 2 by 1 square is 12 by QR square. If you find out QR, that will be 6 square. Next question number, angle T. If you check that angle ATS is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity. Why? Because angle A is common and angle T is given to angle B. So we can say that that means we can take the ratio of the sides. That will be, if I take AT by AB is TS by BC. TS is given 8, it is given 16, and 80 is given, 80 is 15, it is 17. So we know that as it is 90 degree, so it is Pythagorean triplet 8, 15, 17 are. You can find out by Pythagoras theorem also. So it is 15 by 17 plus x is half. If you cross multiply, x is 13. This one is 13. Now it is, if you take complete right angle triangle ABC, it is 30 square plus BC is 16. So 16 square, that we are getting 34 square. That means this complete distance is 34. That means TC will be 19. C will be correct option. Now question, PQ plus QR is 25. PQ is 5. Right angle at Q. PQR. PQ is 5. PR plus QR is these two. If you are adding, it is 25. We have to find out value of tan P. So tan P will be P by B, that is 12 by 5. Tan square 45, tan 45 is 1, so 1 square will be 1 only. And 1 minus cos square 30, that is root 3 by 2 whole square is x into 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. If we equate it, it is 1 minus 3 by 4 is x by 2. That is 1 by 4 is x by 2. So x will be 1 by 2. The option correct. Tan 60 degree we know root 3. So from the option we have to find out which value will be root 3. So B we take 2. You have to put the value 1 by root 3. And 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square, we see that this value comes root 3. This is 35 is important question, and we use the identity. If you square, it is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta cot theta equals to 4. When we square these two, that means tan square theta plus cot square theta will be, if you take it as 4 minus 2, this value will be 1. So same way again we square it, we will get the value 2 only. So it will be 2. Perimeter of semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle means pi r plus d. So it is 22 by 7 into 7 plus radius is 7, so 14. So it is 36 centimeter. Mistake you are doing because you are not doing here adding the diameter. The areas of two concentric circles, it is 154 pi r1 square and 616 is pi r2 square. So we have to find out this breadth of ring, what is this radius. So from the bigger circle we will subtract the smaller circle. Question is the area of two concentric circles. So two concentric circle is, one is here, second is here. Area is given. What is? It is 154 square centimeter. It is 16616 square centimeter. with different radius. So first we find out different radius. Sorry, 5154, that is 22 by 7. R square is 154. If we cancel 11 2 1 4 2 7, so R will be what? R square is 7 square, that is R is 7. From here, if you find out here 616, that is 22 by 7 R square. So R square will be 11 2, 11 5, 55, 6, 11 6, 228. So R square is 7 into 28, 7 into 4, that is R square will be, R will be 7 into 2, that is 14 centimeters. So what is the difference? If I take from here, one is 14 centimeter and another is 7 centimeters. So what is the breadth of ring? This we have to find out. That means 14 minus 7, that is 7 will be the required breadth. So here C answer will be correct. The length of minute hand of the clock, if it is, that means radius is given 7 centimeter. What is the area in 5 minutes? If you see the 5 minutes, total is 360 degree. So it is 360 divided by 5, that is, if we see that complete is 360 degree, and from 12 and 3, here 6 and 9, so what will be in here? It is 90 degree. If I say here from this distance is 90 degree, so for 5 minutes it will be 1/3 of that. So 5 minutes will be 30 degree. So what is the angle? Theta is 30 degree. So what will be the area? 30 by 360 we know, into pi r square, 22 by 7 and 7 into 7. If you cancel, it is 12, 7, 2, 11 ja, 2, 6. So it is 77 by 6, that is 12.83 centimeters square. Probability that letter is consonant. If we check, we have 26 letters total and 5 vowels. That means what? Remaining are 21 are consonants. If you go, so it is 21 by 26. Next is 2 dice are thrown. That means total outcome will be 2, 6 and 6, 36. Dice, sum of numbers coming on the dice is 7. That means it is 3, 4, 4, 3. If we think about the outcomes, 6, 1, 1, 6, 5, 2, 2, 5. So how many outcomes are there? 6. So what is the probability? That will be 6 by 36. That is 1 by 6. This option will be correct. Here it is case study we have, that asanas is a body posture given, and it is with the help of that quadratic polynomial, what is the questions are there. So shape of the poses are parabola. We know that it is, you see the shapes are parabola. If you see here, so it is parabola. If it is downwards, when we know different cases are there, if it is upward, if it is downward, then a is less than 0. A is greater than 0 when we say it is upward, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. How many zeros are there? We know how many times it intersects on x-axis, that many zeros are there. So here, how many times it intersects the x-axis? So here it is, d is 3. The 2 zeros, we have to find out two zeros. So if you look at the figure, here it is here it is -2 0, It is 40. So -2 and 4 are the zeros of the above graph. Next is the two zeros of the quadratic polynomial. That is, if we simplify it, it is 4 root 3 and 2 root 3 will be 24. And we break the middle term. It is 4. Maximum I am taking 4x root 3x plus 2 minus root 3x plus 2. So we have 4x minus root 3 and root 3x plus 2. If you simplify it, x will be root 3 by 4 and minus 2 by root 3. So which option is correct? Root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 and minus 2 by root 3. This one, D1. Next is, in order to conduct sports day, it is two positions are there. It is green flag and red flag is there. We have to find out the position of green and red flag and distance between both the flags. And then it is at the 1/4 distance and Joy is posting his flag. So what will be the distance? So green flag is what? Niharika runs 1/4 distance on the second line. Second line means 1, 2. So here second 2 and then 1/4 means 100 by 4 will be 25. So 225 will be answer. Find the position of red flag. Red flag is 1/5 distance Preet runs. So 100 by 5, that is 20. And it is on the 8 line. So abscissa will be 8 and ordinate will be 20. C option will be correct. Next, distance between two flags. We know the distance is what? Distance will be, if green flag and distance is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. That is, our points are 225 and 820. So 8 minus 2, 6 square, 21, 5 square. That means 36 plus 25. It is 61. Root 61 will be answer. Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway. Halfway means we know that if it is midpoint, then x is x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is y1 plus y2 by 2. So what is the distance? Again I am writing coordinates are this, so it will be easy. So x will be 10 by 2, that is 5, and y will be 25 plus 20, 45 by 2, that is 22 by 0.5. This. Next is last question is, Joy has to post 1/4 distance. That means it is divides into the ratio 1:4. We have m is 1, n is 4. So x will be mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. That is 1 into 8 plus 4 into 2 by 5. Here 3.2 is the answer. It is 3.2. So it is 8 plus 8 by 5, that is 16 by 5. That is 3.2. Exercise there. Y is same way, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. That is 1 into 20 plus 4 into 25 by 5. We are getting 120 by 5, that is 24. So 3.2 by 24 will be answer. So this way we solve the complete question.